Hey guys, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment that simply says thanks. All those really do help out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a really cool dash cam. So this is a company called Arpha, and this particular model is the B25. This is the box that it comes in. Once you order it, you're going to get everything you need, and it is a 5K dash cam. So really, really great for the footage. So first off, it comes with a user manual that explains a lot of the details. We're going to cover a lot of those right here in the video. Then you are going to get, so it has a front camera and a back camera. So if you want to mount this on the back side, this is the rear camera. You can also mount this kind of on the inside cabin if you want to watch the cabin instead of looking out the back window. It does rotate, so that way you can adjust it to however you need to. It's manually rotating. It doesn't do electric or anything like that. And then it has a sticky pad. Now it does come with a spare sticky pad, so that way if you do need to move it, you can. And then it plugs in basically into this part, into this little splitter. So you'll plug it into this other side, and then you're going to plug the main camera into here, and then this can go off to your other camera also. And we'll show all that when setting it up. Now, it also includes in these bags these little protectors for your glass, which is a nice little feature. So just peel this off, stick it on the glass, and then you can stick the double-sided sticky tape onto this. So that way it's super easy to remove if you ever need to. Like if you sell your car, you get a new car, you can easily move it from one car to the next, which is just a nice little feature. It even has a little dash line, so that way you can easily center it when utilizing it. And you are going to get 2 of those for the back windows. And you're also going to get 2 more for the front window for the main camera itself. Here is the main camera, which we're going to go over here in details in a minute. But in addition to this, you are going to get a little cigarette lighter. You'll put this in here, and then you can plug in the USB. I don't use this because my car has USB plugs, but it does include this if you need it. Then you are going to get, just like the back camera, the main camera comes with an extra sticky pad. You are going to get here 5 little clips, so this will help you handle the cord management if you need to. You can also tuck the cord in basically around your doors, and it gives you a tool to do that. So you can use this tool to help push in the cable, and then also if you need to like kind of help scrape this off the window, you can also utilize that. But this mainly is designed to kind of hide the cable when you're not utilizing it. Then you are going to get a super long power cable here itself. So this plugs into your USB or plugs into this guy, and then the 3.0 here, the C, will connect either directly to the camera, or if you are utilizing the back camera, then you're going to plug it into this guy, and it's going to power both. And as you can see, you get plenty of cord length, so you can set it up. The excess cord, you're basically just going to tie off with a twisty tie and leave kind of tucked away in the bottom. So now let's go over the camera itself, because it has a lot of features that we want to cover. So it's this really skinny camera. It just simply mounts. It is adjustable, so you can kind of find the perfect angle depending on how your glass is angled. On the one side is where you will plug it in. Directly below that is a micro SD card slot, so you can put in your SD card in there. Now, as far as recording, this thing will do loop recording. So basically, once it runs out of memory space, it will start recording over the oldest footage. Now, it does do the geosensing, so if you get in like an accident or it detects like a collision, it can lock down that footage, or you can manually lock it if you wish, and then it won't override it. Basically, you'll have to go ahead and remove or manually delete those files if you wish. Now, on the front side, you have the nice little lens. Like I said, the front camera is a 5K camera. So it is a 5120 by 2160, and it does do WDR night vision. So you have both regular during the day, and then you have those night vision features. The back camera is only a 1080p camera, and that is 1920 by 1080. But the back camera, you're just looking basically, like I said, in your cabin, or you're looking out the back to see if somebody hits you or something like that in case of an accident. Your front camera is the one that you kind of really want picking up stuff. As far as how it connects, there's a little power button right there at the top when you want to turn it on. But you're going to basically connect this camera via an app. So they have their Arpha app, and that's going to give you a lot of different features for this camera. It also, for example, through that, you can set up voice controls. So you can say things like lock the video. If you want to save that video, you can add recording, you can turn it off. So if you want some privacy, you don't want it recording, you can do that. You can tell it to take a picture if you want. Via the app, you can also replay footage if you wish. You can see the live view on your app. You can also always take out the SD card and put it in a computer. Sometimes I find that a little easy also. And then it also will do things like you can share the footage. So if you want, if you're in an accident and whatnot and you want to share it with a loved one or share it with the other driver, you can do that by just sending it through the app, which is a nice little feature of it. Now, you can also use the Arpha GPS Player app, and that's going to do things like show you the GPS and speed tracking, which is great for businesses. If you want to utilize that and know where your business cars are, you can utilize that app also. This camera does support 5G Wi-Fi, easily connects to your phone or if you have the hotspot in your car. As I mentioned, it does include a micro SD card, which is up to 64 gigabits. Obviously, you can upgrade that up to a 256 gigabit memory card if you wish. But I do recommend, because it is 5K, that you do a high-class card that can record and write fast, so that way you get the best quality out of your card itself. As far as recording time, I have it set up on the longest, but it can be recorded in 1, 3, or 5 minutes, or you can have it recording continuously as you wish. So it has the setup, but it'll divide those files into a 1-minute file, a 3-minute file, or a 5-minute file before it starts the next one. So it does have 2 different parking modes. So if you want the parking features, it does need an add-on kit, which basically is tapping into your battery so it's powered up all the time, because otherwise it will turn off when the car turns off. With those parking modes, it has continuous monitoring, or it will go to sleep and it will only monitor if it feels an impact. So you get those 2 options, basically the geosensing option or that time-lapse option if you wish. But like I said, overall, it's a nice little compact camera. Doesn't mess up your view in the windshield, which is great. Comes with plenty of cord length, so that way you can position it however you want. It's very sleek looking, and it does that 5K footage. So if you are in the market and you're looking to check out a dash cam, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something that I didn't quite cover that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.